All right, guys, so we're gonna do the last exercise that I do here at home, which is leg press calf raises. I'm gonna show you two variations of it here, and we're not gonna cut away, we'll just do one segment. So the first thing is just standard calf raises, where you're just gonna lock it out and put your feet at the bottom in comfortable position, okay, where you don't hurt yourself, and then you just press up and relax back down until you really feel it kind of pull against your calves, okay? It's gonna work your soleus, which lies underneath the gastrocnemius, and both of those things working together will produce larger calf muscles. Feel free to do these guys as much as you want. You can't take a step without using your calf muscle, okay? So it's just simply down and up, down and up. The other variations are you can point your toes in some. If you got a wider machine, I don't. Maybe at a gym you do, and you're working more of the outer head, okay, of your calves. Or you can do the sumo version of it, where you turn your calves out, and you can do it there. I just watch my knees if I were you. So hopefully we're getting a decent shot of that, and that works the inside head right here, okay? So those are the three variations you can do on a standard leg press machine for calf raises.